Winter meal prep, how to save time and money. Hey, budget-savvy families. Winter can be a busy time, but we've got a game-changing tip for you: winter meal prep. It's a fantastic way to save time and money while enjoying delicious, healthy meals all week long. And no, it doesn't involve a giant spinning cone of meat a la Ron Swanson style. Instead, it's all about the ingredients. Winter offers an array of fresh, budget-friendly, in-season produce. Think root vegetables, winter greens, citrus fruits, and more. These form the basis of your winter meal prep. Next, plan your meals around these ingredients. Soups, stews, casseroles, and roasted dishes are perfect for winter. They're not only warm and hearty but also easy to prepare in bulk and freeze for later. Once you have your meals planned, it's time to get cooking. Spend a few hours on your weekend preparing and cooking your meals. It might seem like a lot initially, but the time you save on busy weeknights is priceless. Don't forget about storage. High-quality, airtight containers are vital for keeping your meals fresh. Store your prepped meals in the fridge or freezer, ready to reheat and serve at a moment's notice. Winter meal prep is as simple as planning, cooking, and storing. With this approach, you'll enjoy healthy, home-cooked meals, save time on cooking during the week, and reduce your food bill. It's a win-win-win situation. Embrace the cold season with open arms and satisfied taste buds. Winter meal prep is your key to a warm, nourishing winter. Start planning your meals today. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please consider hitting like and subscribe so we can continue creating new content for you. Thanks. And don't forget to visit our website at www.debtdetoxadvisors.com.